Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the November 2025 Curated Bead Box to share with you all today. I have a coupon code for the Curated Bead Box. It's Teresa35, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon will save you 35% off your first box if you sign up. It looks like the theme this time is Morning Frost. That's pretty fitting for this time of year, at least around where I am. It's already snowed a little bit the other day. Just a little flurries, nothing major, but it is getting colder, so morning frost is a good theme, I guess. So I'm going to open it up here, take a little peek and see what the beads look like, and then I'll sort everything out. This is the Findings Companion Pack, Findings Starter Kit. Each box always has a Findings Starter Kit. It alternates between silver and gold. This month it's in silver. And there's a little look at the beads in there. Some pretty beads. Looks like some leaves there. So hold on, I'll get everything sorted out and I'll be back. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now. First I have the Findings Starter Kit, some memory wire, some stretchy string, some bead stringing wire, some lobster clasps, some fishhook ear wires, some jump rings, some crimp beads. These are crimp beads, not crimp tubes, and some head pins. That's the Findings Starter Kit. It makes it really handy. You can pretty much make pieces just directly out of the box with some jewelry tools. And then in the box, the first strand is a 8-inch strand of 10mm seafoam glass pearl beads. And those are just really, really pretty. And then next is an 8-inch string of 10mm ice crystal crackle glass beads. Those are really pretty. That crystal effect in there, it's just really, really pretty. And then next is a 16-inch strand of 8mm stone glass pearl beads. The color is stone. This is a big strand. Get this all in my hand, big long strand. Those are really pretty. And then next is a 16-inch strand of 8mm violet jade style glass beads. Really, really pretty color. Kind of a pinkish purple. I don't know. It's just really pretty. And then next is a 16-inch strand of 6mm persimmon. No, where'd I get persimmon? 6mm primrose jade style glass beads. A really pretty color of pink, kind of a hot pink. It's really, really pretty. And then last in the strands is a 7 to 8-inch strand of 6mm milky white gemstone beads. Milky white gemstone beads. And then there are two mixes here, and I don't know which is which. One, it says approximately 1 ounce Frosty Designer glass bead mix and approximately 1 ounce Dewy Designer glass bead mix. And I don't know which they're calling which, but these are some pretty big beads in there. There's some that are not so big. There's some have little donut-shaped beads and some kind of rondelles looking. There's two ovals. There's some pretty beads in there. And then this is, these look like 6-0 seed beads to me. Of course, they're kind of irregularly shaped. They're really great to string with. They're really pretty colors in there. And then next are 8 beads, 14 by 10 millimeter silver luster bicone faceted glass beads. And I had a eye pin out here, and I don't know what I did with it. Let me see if I can find another one. Yeah, here we go. So 14 by 10 millimeter silver luster bicone faceted glass beads. Let's see if I can get my camera to not blur. Those are really pretty. All those facets make them so pretty. So there's 8 of those. And then there are 6 12 millimeter summer moon galaxy glass beads. And these are some big chunky beads. It's really pretty. And then next are 8 charms. They're 24 by 14 millimeter leaf silver metal charms. Those are really neat. Of course, they're the same on both sides. Really, really neat. And then last, and this is my favorite thing in the whole box, are 2 26 millimeter 3-leaf silver metal pendants. And these are so pretty. They're just so pretty. It's that would be the back. It's got the loop there where you can hang it. It's got a loop at the top there too. Those are just really, really pretty. It's really, really pretty. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll get everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the November 2025 curated bead box called Morning Frost. Some really pretty beads here. Like I said, if you're not subscribed to the box and you decide you want to be, that coupon code will save you 35% off your first box if you sign up. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.